Annastacia Hall from Homewood has been running well all season. The quarter milers from Homewood, they have looked well since the start of these championships. Let's see what she's going to do.
Yeah, they've qualified 2 from Class 3.
So Natovia Robinson of Stets in lane 8. In lane 7, Kaylee Graham, Mount Alvernia, the Western champions. Lane 6, Kimanda Swaby, Lacovia. Lane 5, the Central champion, 54.43 seconds, ranked second in the event this season, Annastacia Hall from Homewood Technical. Lane 4, Alison McFarlane, Meadowbrook. In lane 3, Nisha Dixon from Brownstown High. And in lane 2, completing the lineup, we have got Brianna Patrick from St. Mary High. Heat 2 of 6, Class 2 girls, 400 meters. The favorite here, Annastacia Hall, 53.61, her personal best done this season. Ranked second in the event, behind the young lady who won the previous heat, Shamika McLean of Foga Road High.
Set.
Sent about their business now. Hall got a pretty good start, so too Kimanda Swaby from Lacovia. Those two ranging up in the middle of the pack. Then behind them we have got McFarlane Dixon and Patrick. Annastacia Hall from Homewood Technical takes command now, entering the 200-meter marker. Goes by Graham and Robinson. Swaby will look to stay in close touch. Annastacia Hall from Homewood Technical, the central champion, is in command here. Looks very relaxed, very composed. Nice easy transition into the straightaway. The battle is on for the other automatic qualifying spot. Kaylee Graham of Mount Alvernia wants to hold on to that ahead of Kimanda Swaby of Lacovia, but Annastacia Hall of Homewood Technical is home comfortably. Kaylee Graham of Mount Alvernia gets second. Hall comes home in 54.66. Make that 54.56 seconds. And 57.03 for the runner-up, Kaylee Graham of Mount Alvernia. Those two into the next round.
I'm very impressed with that run by Hall. She took her time. She got out. She didn't race the first 50 meters.